So I made a thing. It's alive. Uh, I've been cooking since yesterday. The official homepage is up and running. Releases are getting published. They're in the list, and you can actually download. Yeah, I'm currently waiting for the pipeline to build the 1.4 version, so I can see if auto update also works. So that's gonna be nice. It's gonna show up here, and that's been the latest thing. But anyway, the thing is alive. Like most, maybe you're starting with a to-do list or task list or something. That's what started probably 15 months ago. Doing tutorials, building a Flutter app, scratching that, moving to the web, building there, getting new ideas, building other things, other projects, other ideas. Tried gamification, and the scope went exploded, and I built this huge thing that has a lot of features. But finally learned, okay, let's just release something, let's scope things down. What happens then? And it kind of landed on this Anandia Workspace. So simple habits, tasks, notes, projects. I need to start somewhere, and this is it. So and it feels really good to actually ship something, or whatever you call in this space, to actually release something that's out there forever. uh, yeah, and it's alive, and it's today is actually my birthday as well. So I thought I kind of set this deadline a while ago. I wanted to release something on my birthday as well. So another birth, so to say. And yeah, and I really like what I'm doing, the creation process anyway, just seeing what's possible, and the haptic, the physical things. I really enjoy that, and to have the sounds and the snapping, and it's like I don't know what it is, but it's nice. And I have done some habits today. I have done the bed. I have not moved. I have done my morning yoga. I have done the journaling and the cold shower. So movement. That's lunchtime. So anyway, it's alive. Uh, feels strange, and it feels great. I need to start somewhere. So this is the first thing I'm releasing to the public. You can download. It's yeah, nice. And since all the gamification logic is already alive, I already migrated it to the another desktop application. So from the web, React, TypeScript, it's I'm building this in Tauri, so it's front end is React and back end is Rust. So all the logic kind of is refactored and migrated to another Tauri app, but it kind of got too overwhelming to start again. So the idea is to move features and features into this. So this is kind of the core logic I have now. The notes, habits, projects, and tasks, and there's a lot of other things in here as well. And let's get the latest chart. Okay, so let's the core features, the projects, the tasks, the habits, the notes. I have a NPC runtime system, I'm calling it, that's have proactive things like accountability, checking in. Like if you set you want check-ins, it's gonna check in on you, have you, and it's gonna get whatever status on your tasks, if they're due dates and stuff. So I have that. The plan is to use a local LLM. I have already trained it for accepting this kind of data, and I just need to start testing that. But so the NPC features, there's a reward system for doing things, and one of the core features is a feature unlock system. So you actually need to level up to get to the different steps. And at certain levels you get community support and those kind of things. And there is so task and habits have XP, you gain levels, you get to allocate skills, and there's like if you don't do your habits, there's gonna be debuffs, and that's gonna be used later in gamification ideas I have to actually jump into some kind of game session and get rid of the debuff. That's I've been playing a lot with that. That's fun stuff. And yeah, and there's a currency system as well, so you get rewards and you can. There's item systems and there's guilds, and in the guild you can create squads and you can kind of do community tasks. So you can have a squad where you have like, okay, we're doing this together during this week, and you kind of need to hold yourself accountable, and you have a kind of grace period as well, and you can chat in that system. So looking forward to implement that into the app as well. So community stuff coming. So there's a lot of features, and now that it's actually out there, it's released, I can start planning to move each of these features into the main app, and that's going to be really fun too. And I'm thinking starting with the NPC and just getting the that part, and then moving it forward. So, but yeah, feels fun to be up and running, started. Yeah, thinking about the Discord, not sure yet. Maybe not sure how I want ideas. One thing of creating it myself is I can choose whatever I want to do, and there's so much power in just that creation. I can decide, there's no limitation to what I can and can't do, and so far I really enjoy that, and I'm wondering, when will that change? When will input be welcome, like feature request or something? Or I mean, bugs is one thing, but feature request, oh, I would like to have this and this. I don't know, we'll see where it takes. This is the first thing I'm trying something, so welcome to the journey. You can maybe creating a dedicated channel for this. I don't know, we'll see. There's so much ideas popping up, so not sure where it will go, but I'm spending a lot of my free time developing, playing around with this. So stay tuned. I'm also gonna do some kind of longer, like where did I start, all the iterations, and how did it end up here, and everything I learned from building a whole pipeline of release pipeline and getting things published, and all the stuff I learned on the way. So yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, enjoy, and join the journey in creation. Yay, creation with bliss.